Welcome to GK at Tamosri. The Simla Agreement was signed between which two countries? A. India and China. B. India and Pakistan. C. India and Bangladesh. D. India and USA. B. India and Pakistan. The agreement aimed to normalize the relation, resolve disputes peacefully, and prevent future conflicts. In which year was the Simla Agreement signed? A. 1965, B. 1971, C. 1975, D. 1972. D. 1972. Simla Agreement was a peace treaty signed between India and Pakistan on 2nd July 1972 in Simla. This war was started on 3rd December 1971 and ended on 16th December 1971. Who were the two leaders who signed the Simla Agreement? A. Jawaharlal Nehru and Ayub Khan. B. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. C. Lal Bahadur Shastri and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Nawaz Sharif. B. Indira Gandhi and Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The Simla Agreement or Simla Accord is an important part of Indo-Pakistan relation. It is a landmark in bilateral relation between two neighboring countries. It was signed 8 months after Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 that leads to splitting Pakistan and the consequent creation of Bangladesh had ended. The Simla Agreement was signed after which event? A. Indo-Pakistan War 1965. B. Bangladesh Liberation War 1971. C. Kargil War. D. Operation Blue Star. B. Bangladesh Liberation War 1971 was a 9-month armed conflict where the people of East Pakistan, supported by Indian forces, fought against West Pakistani military to gain independence and establish the nation of Bangladesh. What was one of the major outcomes of Simla Agreement? A. Establishment of line of control. B. Division of Kashmir. C. Creation of Bangladesh. D. Withdrawal from Siachen Glacier. A. Establishment of line of control. India shares a total 3,323 km of border with Pakistan. Indian states that share border with Pakistan are Jammu and Kashmir 1,222 km, Rajasthan 1,170 km, Gujarat 506 km, Punjab 425 km. Where was the Simla Agreement signed? A. Islamabad. B. New Delhi. C. Simla. D. Lahore. C. Simla. The agreement was signed in Banskurt at Simla in Himachal Pradesh. Under the Simla Agreement, how were disputes between India and Pakistan to be resolved? A. Through war. B. Through third-party mediation. C. Through bilateral talks. D. Through United Nations intervention. C. Through bilateral talks, where they agreed to settle the difference by peace means, through a bilateral negotiations, or by any other peaceful means mutually agreed upon between them. Which Prime Minister of India played a crucial role in Simla Agreement? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Morarji Desai. B. Indira Gandhi. The Simla Agreement was signed on 2nd July 1972 between Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and Pakistan Zulfikar Ali Bhutto following the 1971 war that leads to the creation of Bangladesh. The Simla Agreement emphasized respect for which of the following principles? A. Use of force. B. Peace, coexistence. C. Economic sanctions. D. UN intervention. B. Peaceful coexistence. The Simla Agreement emphasized respect of following principles of mutual territorial integrity, sovereignty, non-interference in each other's internal affairs, and political independence. Essentially, the principle of peace coexistence based on mutual respect. What was the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto's position when he signed the Simla Agreement? A. President of Pakistan. B. Prime Minister of Pakistan. C. Army Chief. D. Foreign Minister. A. President of India. After Pakistan's loss in 1971 war against Bangladesh, Bhutto assumed the presidency in December 1971, imposing emergency rule. During his presidency, Bhutto secured to release 93,000 prisoners of war and reclaimed 5,000 square miles of Indian-held territory through the Simla Agreement. Where Simla Agreement 1971 between India and Pakistan was signed? A. Barnes Court. B. Golden Castle. C. Warsigal Lodge. D. Elstree Building. Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.